So the company Telesin's kindly sent me out this waterproof case for the Action 5 Pro. It's also going to fit the Action 3 and the Action 4. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside the box we've got the Telesin waterproof housing. Now when you get the Action camera inside of here, you'll be able to submerge to a depth of 60 meters. And with the Action 5 Pro, without the case, you can get down to a depth of 20 meters. So that just differs slightly from the Action 4. Without the case, the Action 4 is 18 meters, and again it's the same. It's going to be 60 meters when you put it inside the case. So also what comes with the external case is a 1/4" thread screw, and these are a lifesaver, these anti-fog sheets. Let's get these out of here. So you get 3 of those anti-fog sheets with this external case. Now these anti-fog sheets are a real lifesaver. I'm just going to show you how to insert them in a moment. So what these anti-fog sheets are going to do is stop the lens fogging up inside the Action camera. And these work no matter what the temperature is. Let's just say it's a hot summer's day and you've got this in and out of cold water. Without these, you're going to get this fogging up. So these are a must. I'm just going to open this up and show you how to insert them. So that just pops open the latch there. And you'll be able to just fit 2 of these anti-fog sheets in. And they'll just slide right in the bottom there. And then you just get your Action camera. Gently push that in. Close the back door. And just have a quick look round to make sure it's in place. And that the latch is hooked over the back door, as you can see, and then just snap down into position. And now you can see that the anti-fog sheets are tightly tucked inside. That way this lens is not going to fog up at all. So now we've got the Action 5 inside the waterproof housing. Let's go outside and test it. Here we go. So first of all, let's get the Action 5 Pro in the external housing submerged in the still water. We'll swish it around in there, give it a real good test, and then we'll move over to the white water. Again, swish it around, give it a real good test, and then we'll get it back out. I'll take it out of the external housing and then we'll really have a close look to see if there's any water residue on there. So now I've got the Action 5 set up on the long tripod. As you can see, it's a really long one. Let's just submerge it in here, see how we go. And now let's put it into the white water. And turn it upside down. So I've given that a real good test in that water there, in the white water and then in the still water, swishing it around all over, upside down, left and right. So now it's just come out of the water. Let's take the Action 5 Pro out of the external housing and see if there's any water residue in there. Here we go. Right, so it's just come straight out of the water, as you can see. So let's open it straight up and hopefully we're all good to go inside. I can see straight away that looks good. Here we go. Let's just put that to one side. Right, moment of truth. Just drying my fingers off. That's where the water residue will be, off my fingers. But I can tell by getting it straight out of that case that no water at all has leaked inside there. Like I say, the only water droplets you're seeing are off my fingers. Should have really dried them. But let's just give this a good thorough inspection to make sure no water's leaked inside at all. So just turn the camera off. Let's open the USB-C trapdoor. And as you can see, we've got no water droplets inside there, so that's good. The charging port, trapdoor. That's all dry. And then the lens cap. Again, completely dry. So I can thoroughly recommend the external housing from Telesin for the Action 5 Pro. As you've just seen, the external housing from Telesin does a really good job at keeping the Action 5 Pro completely watertight. And these anti-fog sheets are going to do exactly that. They're going to keep it from fogging up inside of there, because sometimes when you've got your action camera inside of there and it's a hot day and you're coming in and out of the water, this will fog up. So these anti-fog sheets are a must. Just keep them in there no matter what the temperature, and you'll always have a clear lens. So I think you can agree I've given this a good thorough test in the water just over there today. Sun's always in my face and I keep forgetting my shades. Let's turn around a bit. That's a bit better, but you can't quite see as well. I've put the Telesin external waterproof housing through its paces today with the Action 5 Pro. Again, it's going to fit the Action 3 and the Action 4. And then we've took it out of the housing, and as you've clearly seen, there's no water residue on there. The only bits of water you did see was from my fingers. A bit of an error on my side. I should have dried my fingers before I touched it. But as you've seen, we checked all the trapdoors and the lens cap, and it was thoroughly dry from any water. It really is a good external waterproof housing, as you've just seen. And with this, you're going to be able to submerge to a depth of 60 meters. With the Action 5 Pro, without this case, you can get down to 20 meters. So as you've just seen from the footage, the Telesin waterproof housing does a real good job at keeping the Action 5 Pro watertight. If you're interested in buying this Telesin waterproof housing, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there you'll be able to receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, as there'll be plenty more videos on the horizon. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.